Hi there, welcome to your channel Achiever Today. My name is Mirza Adam, and in this video we are going to discuss another subtype of future tense, that is future continuous tense. Okay, so here we have the aspect of continuity, okay, the continuous aspect. So the use is very common. So we talk about a continuous action that will take place in future. So this means any action that will be continued in future. Okay, so we will be talking about such actions. Okay, so the sentences that will be talking about such actions. Now the first example which I have added here is Bobby will be writing the content for the channel. So here the subject is Bobby, and now I am using the auxiliary verb will, and with will we are again using another type of verb, that is be, and after be I am using the ing form of the verb, that is the progressive form of the verb. Okay, so will be writing, that means will be an ing form of the verb. Bobby will be writing the content for the channel. So this shows that this action will be continued in future. Next sentence, Faisal will be posting a 10-year challenge photo next week. Okay, so the subject is Faisal, and after which I am using the auxiliary verb will, then I am using be, and progressive form of the verb post, that is posting. So will be posting a 10-year challenge photo next week. So this word again is letting us know that we are talking about some future event. Okay, so this is a future adverbial. The last sentence which I have added here is, if you observe him, he will be making fun of you. Okay, so there are actually two clauses. The first clause is if you observe him. This is the first clause, and then I have the second clause here, he will be making fun of you. Okay, so here the subject is he, will, this is the helping verb, be, and making. So this is the most important part of the tense, that is future continuous tense. So don't forget this part of the sentence, will be an ing form of the verb. Okay, so we will be using this structure everywhere if we have a sentence of future continuous tense. Now we will be discussing its formula, how to frame the different types of sentences of future continuous tense. Now if you want to know the structure of future continuous tense sentences, it is very necessary for us to have a look at the basic formula of this tense. So the basic formula will be like this. We will be using will or shall as auxiliary verb. Okay, sometimes we use will and at times we use shall, but we will always be using be. After that, so another important thing is that you will always be using the first form of the verb along with ing. Okay, that means the progressive form of the verb. Okay, will or shall, anyone, then be, and continuous form of the verb. Okay, so if we have a positive sentence, an affirmative sentence, so the sentence structure will be something like this. So the first sentence is Dr. Robert, this is the subject, Dr. Robert will, this is the helping verb, will be evaluating. Okay, now I am using the ing form of the word evaluate, this is the main verb. Dr. Robert will be evaluating the answers. So this is an affirmative sentence of future continuous tense. What if we have a negative sentence? So if we have a negative sentence, we always use the words like no, not, never, hardly, scarcely, seldom. Okay, so here I have used won't. So what is this won't? We won't. So this is actually a contracted form, the shortened form of will not. So we use won't for will not. Okay, we won't be watching, again I am using be and then ing form of the word watch. So the main verb will be watching. We won't be watching a movie next Friday. So here I have a future adverbial, next Friday. Okay, So next sentence is of interrogative. This is an interrogative sentence. So if we have an interrogative sentence, that means a question, a sentence that is used for putting up questions. So if we have a polar question, that means whose answer will be either positive or negative. So this will be started with will or shall. Okay. So will you be attending? Now what is you? You is the subject. Then I'm using be. Attending, ing form of the main verb attend. I am using attending. Will you be attending his wedding party? Okay. So this is a question that demands a positive or negative answer. So its answer will be something like this. Yes, I will be attending his party, or in short you can say yes, I will, or no, I will not. Yeah, no, or you can say no, I won't. Okay. So another sentence example which I've added here is, what will your father be wearing in the function? So here we have a question word what, then I'm using will, and your father is actually the subject. So this is the subject of the sentence. What will your father? Then I'm using be. So here this is an interrogative sentence. So be very careful. After the question word, I am using the auxiliary verb, then I am using the subject, and then I am placing be, and after which I am using the ing form of the verb in the function, the remaining part of the sentence. What will your father be wearing in the function? Okay. Next sentence. How will you be? So again, the question word, then an auxiliary verb, subject, be, answering, the ing form of the verb, answer. How will you be answering this question? So this sentence will be framed something like this. So I am sure that it is now clear to you how to frame the sentences of future continuous tense. And if you still have some doubts or confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you so much and have a good day. Meet you in the next video with another important subtype of future tense.